Okay, so this video I want to share with you is over readworks.org, which is a completely free reading-based program for grades K through 12. My intended audience is my students, and this is great for in-person and remote learners, and it's easy prep for teachers. It saves you so much time, not only with assigning, but grading as well. So it's really neat. So that's why I chose this. So I'd like to show you a little bit about this and what it does. For the purpose of this, I went ahead and created an account. And so I'm going to go to Find Content. And I specialize in teaching writing and grammar. And then we have another teacher that specializes in the reading. Of course, they piggyback off of each other, but my students are starting a writing piece over heroes. So if I wanted to type in hero, it's going to automatically search all different kinds of articles over heroes. And there's lots that I could choose from. And it shows you the Lexile range on each article, how many words there are, if it's fiction, nonfiction, your grade level. It gives you lots of great information right off the bat. So you can see, yes, this is something that I want, or no, this isn't. It also gives you the options over here to select your grade, topics, and then like what kind of content type you want. If you're wanting a reading passage, ebook, if you're wanting a paired text, lots of different things. Maybe you're wanting something for ELL. These are great. So let's say that this is the passage I want. What makes someone a hero? Okay, I can select this. Obviously, I can hit play and it's going to read the passage to me, which is really neat. I can print and have a paper copy of this, or I can assign it digitally. What's really neat is that this is linked with Google Classroom. So when I hit assign, I don't have classes set up yet, but I will, because I think I'm definitely going to implement this. I could just import my classes from Google Classroom right here, or I can create a new class there. But I can assign all of these articles straight to Google Classroom. And so it's easy for me to administer, it's easy for me to access, and if I assign the questions that go with them, which will help with comprehension, it grades it for me as well. So that's really neat. So there's a lot of really great benefits with this program. There are countless articles. There are countless ways that you could use this program to benefit your students. And I think this is just a really great find. I think readworks is definitely, if you teach reading content, this is definitely a must to have in our bank on our computers. So hopefully this was helpful to you.